to our house. Say hi. Hi, my name is Indu and this is Dhwani. So, welcome to our channel, A Family in Poland. So, we are in Krakow. So, I think you wouldn't have seen the last video. We wanted to show our house. We have recently moved in day before yesterday. So, there's a little mess in our house because we're still trying to settle on things and everything. So, I just wanted to give a small tour. Natural tour, however the things are, we have not arranged yet things, so wanted to give a natural tour of the house. So as you saw, we just entered. There's this washroom here. Yes, there is this nice washroom where, yeah, come in. There's a nice washroom. So here you have all the shower and everything. We can take bath and everything. And this is wash basin, all the storage. There's a lot of storage here, a lot of stuff we can put it here, but we have still kept it here. We still need to settle things up here. There's washing machine, and yeah, okay, and there's a heater. Because in winters I think it would be needed. It's really needed here in the washrooms also. Otherwise we'll die in cold. So we don't want to do that. So yeah, in bathrooms also in Poland. There'll be heaters. Yeah. So next coming out. Hey, I didn't show this up. So if somebody comes downstairs, they can give us a ring here and we'll get an approval. I think it happens in India as well. We get it in our phones and a notification or a message. Here we get it through this one. We can even see the pic or something. We have still not tried this because nobody has come yet. So if somebody comes, you can look into this and find. Is she yawning? Yeah. Oh my god, I was so boring, I think. Okay, now next move to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. It's nice, it's spacious, it's big. Not that big, but I felt it's very cute and beautiful kitchen. Sorry for the stuff. We have done some cooking today. So the mess has not been cleaned yet. We were just waiting for her to get up, do the shoot and then do the cleaning, because the house in Poland is quite comparatively smaller, so if we do any sound of whistles and all, she may get up, and we didn't want her to disturb her afternoon sleep. So yeah, as you can see, it's already equipped. Everything was present. We have bought some stuff like this cooker. What you can see, we have bought that from India, but all the other vessels, what you can see there, it was already available in here, like this glass, the cup, and everything was available here, which was given by a very humble and sweet owner, who was very sweet. I'll let you know why as well later. So there's this fridge, of course. There's a good fridge. There's a good amount of storage. You'll have the cutleries and everything. My god, I saw this cutleries and I was like, wow, there's so many knives here. I don't know, different sizes, different shapes and everything. You have so many knives here. These ones we bought it from India. These are all provided by the owner, and then there is here the storage and everything. And down we have kept some vegetables for now. Then we have the sink. Here we need to wash vessels, so just ignore that part. So there is other stuffs as well. You can see. Sorry, you can see that is glasses, cups. The glasses and cups and everything. So everything was kept here. There's dishwasher also. Oh, we have not used it because we still don't know how to use it. We have to learn that, and we'll surely use that in the. We'll surely use this. Use the dishwasher. There is a microwave. I get confused if we call this as a microwave or we call that as an oven. But yes, that is also present here. There is obviously induction. There's no cooking stove. Then there's chimney. You can see that there's light and there is chimney as well. So that's also a very good part. We have kept a small temple here. What do you say, temple, or what do you say for praying our gods? So it's there because in some specific direction we had to do it. So we kept it in this way. So how much of a little we can do our prayers, it's really good. Then here this is a breakfast table. Majorly we have the lunch, breakfast here, my husband and myself. My baby has still not started eating, so she will also be joining us soon. Because she sleeps in the room and we have to keep a watch on her so she doesn't fall, because now you know she has started crawling and everything. So not crawling, but she has started rolling and all, so that she can fall from the bed. Next, there is this room. I think kitchen is over. I think I've covered everything. That everything was given. And what I've heard and what I've seen the other houses also, mostly kitchens will be fully equipped. They'll give everything. Listen. Yes, she's also saying that. Next, coming to our room, it's decently small. Yes, it is decently small. You can see the bed. When you come from India, you will come and see that these beds are very, very small. Specifically, these beds we use it only for maybe smaller rooms, but majorly our beds in India are more larger ones. Like literally 3 of us can sleep, like that beds we have. Here, managing with a baby was really tough. So our owner, our very humble owner, he gave us this, what do you call this, a cot, a crib, I'm not sure what do we call this, and gave it for her because his son is already grown. So his son has grown to that age and he's already older, so he doesn't use the crib now. So for this beautiful princess, he's given it. And we have this cupboards here. So majorly clothes and everything has got fit here. And there's the suitcases. Up also there's a place, storage. There's a window out there. Small window, but yes, it's pretty okay, fine. But the only problem is like, who sleeps there? No, he has to jump from here and go. We cannot walk this place, that there, this place is there, but here there's no place at all. So that is one problem, but it's okay. Thoda bahut we can adjust, no problem with that. And you can see there's a heater. Heater is a must here. Then coming to the living room, that's the hall. It's actually sofa cum bed, so we have already extended. We have taken 1 or 2 naps already here. So you can see the little mess around here. So it's a very comfortable sofa when we slept here. There's this TV, there's Wi-Fi. There's TV, Wi-Fi, there's a coffee table. What else can I say? We have not yet got all the stuffs, and obviously because it's only 2 days, we are still trying to set things, clear all the stuff, make a little more cleaner and neater this house. So we'll get more stuffs to decorate our house, our small little cute house in Krakow. So see, again a heater, obviously heater has to be there. And then there is this big curtain which looks very, very beautiful, which increases the elegance of this house. Next, coming to our balcony. It's small, compact, but very nice. As you can see, it's a full society. We have still not gone across a lot of society, moved around and see what else is there. How many more blocks are there? But yes, it's a very large society, what we have heard. We need to go and see. Today evening we are planning to do that. But yes, this is a very small society. You can see here, there is a small playing area as well, where when she grows up she can play. And see, kids can play around and everything. There's a sitting area as well. And the weather looks quite, not cold, not hot. So it's good, it's nice. So yeah, this was the tour of our house. But to close this video, I wanted to say the total price we are paying for this. So the total price we are paying is 3150. So that's including everything: electricity, water, garbage collection, admin, what else? Internet, TV, everything, whatever is there. It is we are paying in 3150. Here nearby many shops are there. There is Bedromka, there is what else? There's one more store. What's the name? Lidl. Yeah, that is also there. So good because these two stores are very, like, it's big in Krakow. You get all the groceries and everything there. You get some items which you need to use at home as well. There is good trams. There is a nearby tram station as well. There is Zapka. Zapka is like a small grocery store where you can just like in a minute you can just pick it up and get stuff. It's just to the next building. You can find that. Then yes, around there's a park as well. What I've heard, we have not gone across, but yes, there's a park. So there's Aptica, which Aptica means medical store. So there is medical store. So whenever you take a home ride, whenever you take anywhere, obviously you think that there needs to be a supermarket, there needs to be a medical store. So please look around for all the stuff in Krakow as well. So yeah, that's it. That was our home tour. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.